ये कैंडिडेट भी फ़ोन नहीं उठा रहा है, 2 दिन से फ़ोन कर रही हूँ मैं इसको। डेट ऑफ जॉइनिंग इसकी आने वाली है। आई डोंट थिंक ही इज़ गोइंग टू जॉइन। 2 कैंडिडेट ऑलरेडी बैकआउट कर चुके हैं इस महीने। अब क्या करूँ? हायरिंग मैनेजर को क्या बोलूँगी यार मैं? This is a typical day in any recruiter's life. I'm sure you can relate to this problem, which is backing out of the candidates at the last minute. If you are also facing this problem, then this video is for you. Hello HR professionals. Today in this video, we are going to talk about all those steps which you can take to engage your prospective employees and how it will help you to reduce the chances of backing out of your candidates at the last minute. Towards the end of the video, I also have a bonus tip for you which will help you to increase the ratio from offer acceptance to joining in case of campus placement. So stay tuned till the end of the video if this topic excites you. Now let's get started. Point number 1 which will help you, that is communication frequency. You have to set up your communication frequency to touch base with your candidates. Mark 1 day in a week and schedule 3 to 4 hours only to call to those candidates whom you have released the job offer so far, but they are yet to join the organization. You can talk to them about how is their notice period going on, how is their handing over process going on, or if at all they need any help from you. But try to make the conversation casual with them and ask open-ended questions. Otherwise, all these 3 points will be covered in less than 1 minute. I'm also sharing few additional points with you which will help you to touch base with the candidates other than the phone call, because I understand that calling to the candidates every week without having any new topic to talk about could be an awkward situation. So you can try these points as well. Number 1, if your organization has a set process of fortnightly or monthly newsletters, then please share such kind of newsletters with your future employees. It will really make them feel good, and they will also notice that organization is taking the efforts to share all this information with them even before they are joining, which will help them to connect with the organization in an easy and fast way. Point number 2, if your company has launched any new product or has started business in any new market or has started any new branch or office, then please share such kind of good news with your future employees, which will give them confidence that yes, their new organization is growing and they can foresee their growth as well. Point number 3, if your company is organizing any kind of target achievement party or celebration, then please share video clips or pictures of such kind of events with your future employees, which will give them a confidence that yes, their new organization is growing in right direction and achieving its targets. Point number 4, if your company has received any award or has come in media for any good reason, then please share such kind of news, video clips or pictures with your future employees, which will really make them feel proud of their new organization. All these points may sound small, but if you will start implementing them, then you will be able to see the results in just 6 to 7 months of time. Point number 2, which will work for you, that is HR is not solely responsible for candidates joining. To ensure that your candidates join the organization, please take the help of hiring manager and ask him or her to assign one Spock from the team who will be in touch with the candidate at least once in 15 days, and maybe it is just for 10 minutes. If possible, try to make that person Spock who has some kind of common grounds with the candidate, like someone from the same school or from the same college, or the person could be from the same city, and Spock has to be extrovert in nature. All these points will help to both of them to build an instant connection, and candidate will also feel good that someone from his new team is already in touch with him, which will increase the chances of joining. Point number 3, which will help you a lot to reduce the chances of backing out of your candidates at the last minute, is to call them in official events. If your company is organizing any kind of grand event like annual day or employee recognition event or any other similar kind of event, then please take the advantage of the situation and call your future employees to attend such kind of events. It will be a win-win situation for both of you. The advantage for candidates will be that they will get the opportunity to know their new reporting manager, team members and other employees in a casual way, and the advantage for you will be more the employees are connected with the organization in a positive way, more the chances of their joining will increase. Now let's move towards point number 4, and that is make the candidate feel special. Make sure that you grab every single opportunity to make the candidate feel special during the notice period. If any special event of candidate's life like his birthday or work anniversary falling during the notice period, then please go ahead and wish him. Here, you need to remember one thing, that as a recruiter or as an HR person, you are representing the organization to the candidate, you are the face of the company to him. And this one act of yours will create a wow moment for him, and he will feel that organization is taking care of him, which will help him to connect with the organization in a fast way, which will increase the chances of joining. And now is the time for the bonus tip. But before that, your task is go to the comment section right now and tell me, are you finding this video informative, helpful, yes or no? If yes, then like the video, share your thoughts in the comment section, and do subscribe to the channel to know more about job interview tips, career guidance, and latest HR trends. And moreover, your subscription really motivates me to make more such informative videos for you. So please click on the subscribe button. This bonus tip will really help you a lot to increase the ratio from offer acceptance to joining in case of campus hiring. And the tip is, whenever you are going for campus hiring, please take one employee along with you who is from the same college, still working with your organization and has got some growth in the company. Because students or candidates are going to believe on more what one of their senior is talking about the organization and sharing his or her own experience. His or her words are going to matter to those candidates most, rather than what HR or hiring manager is talking about the company, which will increase the chances of their joining in the organization. Another important thing, if you wish to know more about human resources and how does HR work in any organization, then please watch this playlist which I have created especially for early professionals in HR industry and for HR students. It will help you a lot to know more about human resources.